Hey everybody, Addison Williams. This is an exciting time. Have a quick break before baseball, so I just wanted to hop on here and share a little bit. I know that I have been talking a lot about marketing, sales, sales strategies. The biggest part and benefit of my job leading a team right now is to engage and lead and most of all learn. Obviously, in sales, the realm of strategy, the way that you get contacts, the way that you approach contacts and then follow up with those contacts, that is evolutionizing into a very substantial thing. And whenever you do that, you tend to learn a lot. Hey, Mr. Williams, how's it going? See you're watching this. Good to see you on. Just had a quick moment to share. You might have seen some things about the cash flow formula that I've actually posted in the realm of online marketing and direct sales, affiliate marketing, whatever strategy you're using to bring in income. Obviously, you have to have a game plan. And whenever I started in direct sales, I had some people that encouraged me along the way and, said, hey, make a top 10 list of your friends and reach out to them. And, that's all fine and dandy, but that list burns and runs dry real quick. So you have to have another strategy. I have to have a game plan to compete with the people that have YouTube channels, they have Facebook pages, and they already have that income coming in. So that next canister of spark they sell is neither here nor there. Recently I got involved with Profit Platform, and that has really changed the game for me in my side hustle life. It has given me the automation and lead generation online, given me that vision for upfront cash flow and what that actually means. So with that being said, the value that I've seen in Profit Platform, and after utilizing the raw marketing formula to a T and seeing how that works, every time that I talk to somebody that's starting out a business or is already in business, I think of online lead generation. How are you capturing leads? What are you doing with those leads whenever you get to them, and prime them before you actually sell the product that you're selling? So with that being said, there is value in a formula, in a game plan that you have to utilize to your advantage for your business. Otherwise, it's not going to work out very well. You're going to be stuck where you are now, which is not making any money, or you're only at 10 sales, when if you use the value of the internet, then you're actually up to 50 sales in 1 week rather than I've made 10 sales in 2 weeks. That's the game plan of the formula that you have. You have to educate your audience, you have to capture the audience, and you have to remember that they're not buying the product, they're buying the solution of what that product brings. For example, whenever you go to a doctor's office, you know that you have a problem, so the doctor makes his money because he is prescribing you a way for you to get rid of that problem. So with that being said, it's not the nurses who are checking your vitals. They don't prescribe your medication. The doctor does, because he knows exactly what it is. After seeing your problem, seeing your symptoms, he knows what will fix that. And that's exactly what we are doing with the cash flow formula. You are seeing automated sales, you're seeing lead generation, and then, by the way, you're in turn selling your product and able to market that product effectively. And then on the back end, you have recurring and residual cash flow that allows you to branch out and then go to the Dominican Republic whenever you want to, because you've set up a proper system in place so that your online lead generation, that is there, and then your product is solving a problem. It is giving people the resolution that they need to fix their symptoms. People live and breathe by, how can you solve my problems? So with that being said, my question to you is, are you in a spot where you need resolution in your business? Are you in a spot where you need priming and lead generation and focus, and then able to really pursue and sell those products that you're looking to do? So I am encouraged this afternoon. I do hope that you have a fantastic rest of your evening, but one thing that I will be doing is dropping the link to the rawmarketingformula.com. That is exactly where you need to go to download the free PDF that I provide for you, to see exactly the system that I am following to a T, so that you can in turn build your own business. So I am grateful that you've been watching this afternoon. Once again, I tell you, make sure that you're solving the problem that people are looking for. Find the solution and then give that to your audience. Remember, if the audience isn't captivated, you're not doing your job as a salesman and as a marketer. So with that being said, like I said, the demo is below. The PDF is at rawmarketingformula.com, and I will see you on the other side.